What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and we're going to go to one of my good friend's book signings. She is releasing her Alaska Whitewater Guidebook today, and I'm stoked about that because back in the day, I wrote a Whitewater Guidebook right there, and I know how exciting it is to be releasing something. I'm going to take you guys right now to the Girdwood Brewing Company, which is right down the road here in Girdwood, Alaska. And my good friend Jule is having a book release today of a book she wrote on Alaska Whitewater, so I'm stoked. Let's get our butts down there. It's also kind of a big deal because I'm selling my final copies of my Alaska Whitewater Guidebook from back in the day. And it's pretty crazy. I'll be totally out and she'll be carrying the tradition on. And that's awesome, so let's go. There are my final copies of the book, so let's throw them in the truck and roll out of here. Sweet, we here.
The last, you should sell for like $80.
I know.
Hey, so it's like Christmas! Ah!
Put your email wrong, I can't believe that.
I know, it's my email.
There it is.
Shiny old books.
Yeah, right now. I guess the email is spelled wrong. So you're having to put hundreds, you know, how many stickers?
Yeah, I don't know how many stickers did you buy, Jule?
Oh man, about 1,800, about one for each book. From stickermule.com.
Stickermule.
Boom.
Email address is available.
That's
I tried
funny.
it. Oh shoot. I'm gonna get it.
Bring your fine motor skills to the...
One of Tim's?
Haley Johnson or with her. Yeah. And
I'm putting a photo of my license plate. It's like that's.
I will. That's
awesome. I know. I was kind of surprised that the DMV or the DOT is like letting me get away with that.
They probably don't understand Get Wet. I remember when you had a vote on which picture to use. Yeah, I voted for this
Man,
one.
so I don't know if you're familiar with the Frankel dollar.
Timmy.
What's going on, Paul? Just filming the end of the book line outside.
Make sure you get 2 tickets.
Yeah.
What is the draw? How are you doing? Here soon. Here soon? Yeah.
This is crazy! Oh my god!
There's a line like out the door. Tyler, what's happening right now?
We're at a book signing at the Girdwood Brewery.
How many times have you been to this brewery?
More times than the government knows.
What you got there, Luke?
I got the Packraft Handbook.
What's that about?
This is a how-to.
Oh, what's that sticker?
National
interesting.
Outdoor Book Award winner,
Interesting.
2021. If you want to show it off, you got to look at the illustrations from Sarah Glaser.
Yeah, show me a good illustration really quick.
That's a good
Oh
illustration.
man, yeah.
Sarah just crushed this project. It was so awesome. So this one isn't a, it's not a river guide. Jules is a river guide. This one is a how-to. Yep, pretty well
Where
made.
can people find this online?
It's available tons of places because it's through Mountaineers Books. So it's Amazon, and REI, and Barnes & Nobles. Pretty much anything that sells books can get it. I'd sell it at my website too.
Let's get that. You guys see the mosquito?
True Alaska
inside. Yeah, we're chilling here at the book signing. People lining out the door. Inside Girdwood Brewing. Pretty cool place. Cool venue. Jule's signing away. Wonder if she's tired yet. Yeah.
Hi, it's me again. Whoever has a green Toyota Tacoma with the little red dog in the passenger seat, a red Jeep Grand Cherokee, or the 30-foot RV that's parked in front of the dumpster, you've got to move your car. There's a large piece of equipment getting pulled into the driveway. Please and thank you. You're not in trouble or anything. We just got a big truck. Need room. Yeah. Love you guys. Cheers.
Thank you. Those trays, it's $120, and you get 3 raffles. Yeah, raffle here, probably like 20-30 minutes.
Maybe don't be an idiot.
I'll leave that part out. You can tell him that. I'll keep my family quiet.
I got a book for you guys.
Yeah,
Yes, please.
just one.
It's $60.
Do you need help carrying anything or anything?
Well, no, I think we should be like, hey, this is introduce yourself. You should introduce yourself, and I'll talk about my book.
All right, Luke, you have to introduce yourself.
Okay.
And around the back door where the raffle is happening.
Like right in this challenge. Thanks everybody for being here. We're gonna do the raffle real soon, real shortly. But I want to introduce some friends of mine, mentors and teachers and friends. Luke is here. Luc Mehl, he wrote the Packraft Handbook and Instructional Guide for the Curious. It was super sweet to share some space with Luke, in addition to doing some boating. If you don't have his book, you should think about getting it. It's a really wonderful guide to becoming a better boater and safety and situational awareness. So he's here with his book. It's awesome. And then Tim Johnson. Kind of like an OG for Alaskan Whitewater. You moved up here how long ago?
I'm deaf, I have to sit close.
Moved like 20 plus years. It's kind of like the original Alaska first ascentist and wrote Alaska Whitewater, a guide to the last frontier of rivers and creeks. Did a lot of like pioneering and first ascenting in Alaska. Super rad class 5 kayaker, and taught me how to boat. But yeah, taught me how to paddle many moons ago. And so to have like Luke and Tim here alongside with me selling my first guidebook is like pretty awesome. And have all you guys here too buying the guidebook. It's just like I kind of want to like cry and throw up and dance at the same time. So thank you guys all for being here. It's been like a super fun evening. The moment we've all been waiting for. You guys got your raffle text?
Oh yeah.
I've got some really cool stuff to give away from awesome sponsors. Alpaca. There's a lot of great packraft manufacturers out there, but my heart really goes out to Alpaca. They're the OGs, and I think they make the best boats. And so they also supported the book and the whole process, and they're friends of mine. So I'm really psyched to give away some of their swag. 5011. Anybody? 5011.
She's got it.
Hey, she's got it. Nice. Okay, the moment we've all been waiting for, Alpaca, they've been like alongside throughout the whole book process and really supportive. And they donated, so it's not a boat. I do not have a boat here for you, even better, but requires more patience. It's a boat coupon. You get $1,275 towards whatever you want. Woo! So, can we get like a drum roll? Can you call the ground prop?
Yeah!
1-8.
Man, you jumped it first. Man, they got
anywhere.
Last one in the world! Well, there you have it, guys. That was the big book signing. Super proud of Jule for putting that book out. That was a ton of work. Can't wait to check it out when I get back and just see the finished product. Had an awesome time at Jule's book signing, and that was super cool to see Luc out there again too. I haven't seen him in a while. And see a bunch of old friends, meet some new people too. Feels pretty crazy that that was the last of the Whitewater guidebooks. So probably what I'm gonna do at this point is turn my last copy of the book into an ebook and just make that free for everyone to see, everyone to use. That way the book's still out there, but it's pretty crazy. It's the last one. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash that like button down there and subscribe to the channel if you wanna see, you know, more of these videos. And we'll see you next time. Oh, hey there. I'm super excited because I finally got a grill for the truck house in preparation for the big road trip. So we're gonna grill some extra fancy steaks from Costco. These are the cap steaks of the filet mignon. Totally delicious. Let's do them up. I'm gonna test this grill out, make sure it works. Oh yeah. I've still got to figure out a mounting system for it, but this is a little magma grill made for boats and whatnot. They're pretty freaking sweet though. So, brand spanking new. Let's fire it up. And I'd like to make some kind of mount where it can sit kind of out here all solid, but I'll have to figure that out. Yummy. I marinated these guys overnight, so it should be super tasty. It's a really well-made grill, but they're kind of crazy expensive, but it's also like the only grill that is like 9 inches in height, so it'll actually fit inside of my box there, so didn't have much of a choice, but that is a tasty looking steak. Yummy. Or if this is gonna make the camper smell like a steak inside. Yeah, I wanna figure out some kind of extension pole that swings out and has the grill attached to it, so we gotta figure that part out. That way the smoke and the flames are staying away from the wood. So far, pretty sweet though. Let it cool off and we'll put her up.